And we're gonna get into our quad with the customizable PSO stick. We want our quad to be loose. So how we're gonna do that is simple. All we're doing is we're just shifting our hip back. This helps with that quad to be loose. So then now we can be able to go up and down long passes too. This is important. We don't want to just necessarily stay in one spot. We want to do long passes to begin with. Here, going up and down on the outside part, the top part, and even getting into the inside part of the thigh. Now, once we find an area that's tender, that's when we will want to stay on a spot and either go side to side on it. I'm applying pressure in my hands. We're going side to side on it, or we're doing little 1 to 2 inch passes to get into that area to help clean it up. Okay, so long passes, find the spot, then here, stay on it for 10, 20, 30 seconds, depending on your needs. But what we don't want is we don't want to feel numbness. We don't want to feel any type of zinging down the leg. So if you do feel that, stop, shake it out, move the leg around, pull that heel up to the butt, and just start to do some movements and back off, move to a new spot. But if you're just doing 10, 20, 30 seconds, you shouldn't feel any of that crazy numbness. It's when you stay on the area for a long period of time. It's like when you sit down on a couch and it's cutting off the circulation in your hamstrings and your legs start to go numb. That probably happens after 2, 3, 5, maybe 10 minutes. So don't do a hold this for a long time because you feel like that's what you need to do in order to get that release. The release comes from pressing and moving side to side or little movements to help clean that up. When that area starts to lessen, that's when you're starting to get that release. Okay, and then you move to a new area. And then always, what I like, good rule of thumb, to always finish with a full massage. Okay, so I'm done, I'm getting into this area, I'm working into it, and then once I feel like I've gotten a good release, it's been about 30, 45 seconds, then I'm gonna start doing some longer passes up and down my quad. Give that a go and let me know what you think.